Okay, so right now I'm using the paid version of Teams. So you could see on my left side that I have the calendar option. So this is where we can set our meetings. Okay, it's pretty much connected to our Outlook email account as well. So if you're familiar with Outlook, this will be second nature to you because the scheduling options that we have is pretty much the same as what you can see inside the calendar of your Outlook email. Okay, so just to be able to show quickly on how we can set up a meeting, I'll go straight to calendar and then I'll just click new meeting over here, right? And then just type in the details of your meeting. So for example, add title, let's say team meeting on the next set of videos. Okay, so once we have that, that's the meeting title. Next is the required attendees. So let's say I want to add John in here, right? And then let's add in Esther as well. Okay, and then we have the dates. So pretty much up to you on what the duration of your meeting would be, right? You can just change the date, change the time, and then we have the number of minutes as well. You could also have an all-day meeting, okay? And you can have a repeating meeting. So if this is a team meeting that you have to do every month, then you could just change this and then set it to a monthly meeting. Okay, so there's that. Pretty much the same options as what you see inside Outlook. Okay, and then you can also have a channel in here. So for example, if you want it to be a specific team, right, and then a specific channel, you can just select one in here. Okay, you want to limit this meeting to that specific channel. Okay, and then add location and just type in the details of the meeting. Let's say, hey guys, let's have a quick 30-minute catch-up on everyone's progress. Okay, so that's pretty straightforward, and once you're good, you just click send over here. Okay, but if for example you want to have a quick meeting, that's pretty easy to do so. So if you want an instant meeting right now, just go to calendar and then select meet now. So this is a private meeting that we have. Okay, so if I turn on the webcam, you can see myself over here. I have my mic turned on, right? And then you can change your settings as well for your mic and speakers. So let me just turn that off and then I'll change the details. Let's say quick, right, team meeting. So once we're good with that, I can click start. Okay, join now. So it's gonna be starting this meeting and I'm the organizer. So pretty much the options that we're seeing right now is the same with what we're seeing inside calls. Okay, and then you can just invite other people, right? Let's say we have John, right, trying to call, and then just do the same thing as what you do in the usual call. You have share screens, you have the mute button, you have the turn camera on, right? And then you can end the call as well. Okay, so pretty straightforward with setting up meetings right inside the calendar section.